Hi, in this video we will see how to download and install MAMP on your Mac computer. To download and install MAMP, at first we need to download. So go to mamp.info, this website mamp.info, and once you are in this page you will see the MAMP and MAMP Pro all together. So to download, we need to click the free download options, this one, and there is another link, it's called support. So if you use any of the MAMPs version of MAMP or MAMP Pro or some other software which this company is currently supporting, you can get some support from there, but you need to pay for that. So let's go to the home page again and let's try to download. So to download, you have to click free download, this option. Once you click there, it will be appeared in this page, and there are many other things also, like this is the actual download link. First two, this is for Mac computer and this is for Windows computer, and below that there is MAMP viewer. This is useful if you want to check or something from your mobile devices. They both have iPhone supported and iPad supported software, and also they have Android supported MAMP viewer. And below there are some other softwares which this MAMP company, they are actually right now they are selling, or they are now providing. Anyway, our goal is to install that. So to install that, we have to download this MAMP and MAMP Pro 5.7. One thing I want to mention, that this MAMP software, it comes together. I mean, MAMP and MAMP Pro, they come all together. So whenever you will download it, it will install both of them, but we'll use only the MAMP. For MAMP Pro, we have to pay, but probably there is 2 weeks of trial period. You can use that, try that, and if you like it, then you can purchase that. Anyway, let's download it. To download this MAMP Pro or MAMP, we just need to click here. Once we click here, it will ask me, do you want to allow downloads on MAMP info? We have to use allow button to start downloading, and it will start downloading very soon. Okay, and after that it is also asking to try your bind Nemo. We are not interested, so I am ignoring that thing, and let's check how far it is downloaded. It is almost downloaded, and once the download is finished, then we can go to the Finder, and then from there we can install a MAMP. So let's open the Finder to see the download thing. So I opened the Finder, and I am going to downloads location because it is download over there, and this is actually 418.5 megabyte. To install this, just double click on to it and it will open this type of installer window. Okay, so let me minimize the other thing because we don't need it anymore, and I'm minimizing the other windows, and then I'm on the installer window. So at first we need, it is asking that the introduction, and this is the main window. Before installation, to start installation, we need to press the continue button. So I'm going to press continue button, and once we press continue button, it is telling us the important information about the installer. This is a readme file, you can read it or not. And then after that, hit the continue button to start the to go to the next step of installation. Once you hit the enter button, it will show you the license agreement of MAMP and MAMP Pro. Again, I'm telling you, whenever you will download MAMP, the MAMP and MAMP Pro, it will come together. That's why it is showing the MAMP and MAMP Pro. But don't panic, because we'll use only MAMP. We don't need to pay anything. This is the free version. And then hit again continue button to start the installation. Once you hit the installation button, again it will ask you whether you are agree or disagree. We have to press agree to continue the installation. I pressed agree, and then it is showing that this is the hard disk. Do you want to install it here or not? And then once you choose the hard disk, then you click the continue button again to go to the next step of installation. And in this step, it is showing that this will take 1.53 gigabyte of space of your computer. Okay, and if you want to choose some other location to install, it is also giving you the option. Now we have to click on the install button to start the installation. I'm pressing install button, and it will start the installation. Before installation, it will ask you your computer username and password. So I'm putting my username and password, and once I complete my username and password field, I have to click on install software to start the installation. And once I hit start installation, it will take some time to finish the installation. So basically in this step, it is verifying or saving or writing something. It is making ready for everything for our computer so that we can use that later. So let's wait few more seconds to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, then we'll continue the tutorial again. Once MAMP is installed successfully, then you will get this type of confirmation message: the installation was successful. Okay, and the software was installed. Click the close button to finish the installation. So I'm pressing close button to finish the installation, and before closing the installation, it is asking, do you want to move the MAMP and MAMP Pro's 5.7 installer on the trash? Basically this is the software which we downloaded before installation. Now the installation is complete, we don't need this software anymore, so we can delete it by pressing the move to trash. Once we hit move to trash, it will delete the software and the installation is successful. You can use spotlight search to open MAMP. So hold command key and press spacebar, and the spotlight search window will be appeared, and then type MAMP, and you see there are two versions of MAMP. One is MAMP and MAMP Pro. MAMP is the free version and MAMP Pro is the paid version. To open MAMP, we just need to double click on top of it, and the MAMP window will be opened very soon. And this is the first window of MAMP. And then you will find also this type of window when you will start MAMP. Then this type of window will come, like follow us on Twitter, something like that. To every time whenever you will try to open, this type of window will come. To make this window invisible, just press uncheck this thing, show this window when starting application, just uncheck it, and from next time it will not be coming. Okay, so once you finish that, then go to the MAMP, and you see here, this is the main window of the MAMP software. And if you click here MAMP, then there's some about MAMP. If you click there, it will show you all the details of your MAMP. Okay, so here you will see the MAMP version and some other things. And also if you want to customize something, then you can go to the preferences, and from the preferences you can do that, but we'll go that later, not now. So I'm going to click the cancel button, and here you will see there are Apache server, MySQL server, and cloud. And then there is other three options like Easter server, open web page, cloud. Right now this two is completely empty, that means nothing is running, and red means it is completely stopped. Okay, when the server is running, then it will be green color. So in this way you can easily install MAMP from MAMP server, I mean MAMP website, and you can install MAMP, and later you can use it. In the next tutorial I will show you how to run the Apache server or MySQL server using MAMP. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video will help you to download and install MAMP, and this is completely free. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.